Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell up at the top so you get notifications of my newest videos. So right here, I have my RIDGID NXT cordless shop vac. As you can tell right away, I'm running a Hercules battery on it. Funny enough, it's actually through a Milwaukee adapter. This just wants to let go. Oh yeah, there we go. So that is a Milwaukee adapter sitting at the top to your Hercules battery. I'll get into this, why I'm running this in a second. But the main thing I have is I have an adapter on here. Because you see on this side, this is the regular, put your RIDGID battery in, you're good to go. I'm heavily invested in some Milwaukee batteries, so I want Milwaukee batteries. So this is a Milwaukee adapter plate. So it fits right onto your RIDGID shop vac, just like that. And now you can take your Milwaukee battery, put it there, and now you have a cordless Milwaukee RIDGID. Either way, you get a Milwaukee battery running your RIDGID shop vac. Also, this works on different tools. So overall, this is an 84 CFM shop vac. I know that doesn't sound like a lot because your regular shop vacs can be anywhere from like 140 to 200 CFMs, depending on the horsepower size. To put this in perspective, this is the same CFM level as the one battery Milwaukee new shop vac that they have. Now, this holds two batteries, but only needs one to run. Two just makes it run longer. So with like this one battery, it probably lasts like 15 minutes with the small 3 amp. So with two, you get like 30-ish, 25 probably. With these massive 12 amps, with two of those, you get well over into an hour of continuous use, which is awesome. I'll have a link to the adapter in the description box. So right here, I just have a crevice tool. It's a Milwaukee one. This is an updated hose. You would have to go buy this separately. You can just find these at Home Depot. You normally get a black one. It sits on 4 casters. It spins pretty well. It moves pretty easy. One of the biggest questions I get though is, again, why I went with the bigger battery. These Hercules batteries are awesome. You can find them on eBay for $75 to $85 new. If you have to go to the store, they're $150. So I don't know if I bought stolen ones. I don't know why they're literally half of what they cost at the store, but still, it's brand new. I love the shop vac. I never worry about the power, not having enough power, because 85 CFMs is more than enough with the proper tools, crevice tools, stuff like that. You'll get around and you'll figure out how to use it and not have any issues. But it's just awesome not having to be hooked up to an outlet, because I think my outlet is sitting all the way over there, and there's none on this side of the garage. So I love it for that. When I'm out detailing, I love not having to plug into anything, not having to run a generator to run a vacuum. It's awesome. Never had an issue. Only problem is, I don't think RIDGID sells this anymore, which kind of sucks. I don't know if they're going to come out with another one, because they have 2 3-gallon ones, 2 different versions of that. They just came out with a new one for this year, 2023, but unfortunately, it doesn't look like they're continuing to sell this anymore. Because at one point, you could get this at Home Depot for like $85. And now the build of this one, right, this hose is like $35. So 85, that puts you at 120. Adapters, that runs you another 30, so they're at 150. Batteries, all of a sudden, you know, if you're buying 2 of these, that's going to put you at 300. This would be about a $350 vacuum. I figure the way it sits with batteries, adapters, and all that. I think when I originally bought these, brand new, before it was $85, I think this was like $120. But still, if you go look at the Milwaukee version of this, which I use actually, that I've actually now since upgraded from this to that, I have their 2 battery one. That was $300 alone. I think that vacuum, I was actually explaining to a client, I think I have well over, when I have it all hooked up with all my accessories, I'm well over $700 into that vacuum with 2 12 amps, the accessory pack sitting on top. So, yes, it's expensive, but look at your convenience. You don't have to plug into anything. So that to me is a win right there. You're going to say, well, John, it has half the CFM of a normal vacuum. It does. your normal $60 shop vac will probably outperform this. But again, you're not having to plug into anything. So that's where it wins for me. That's my benefit. I use these on a daily basis. I actually went through one of these. Motor died after about 1.5 years of continuous use. I mean, every day, seriously using it for 3 to 4 hours a day of pure vacuuming. That it died after 1.5 years. So this is actually a newer one. Again, go to Home Depot, exchange it, get a new one. Home Depot's awesome. Their warranties are awesome. So unfortunately, I won't be able to link you to that, but I'll have everything else linked, like these adapters if you have a RIDGID tool and you want to put a Milwaukee on it. And then also, I think you're able to find this on Amazon. I might have bought this one on eBay to get a Milwaukee to Hercules adapter. But that's overall the setup on it. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I hope you found this video satisfying. Give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.